What's up everybody, I'm your NFTs guide for the day, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about the 10 best NFT play-to-earn games for 2022 using this great article that has them all listed here. Keeping a focus on the highlighted ones being Axie Infinity, Cryptokitties, 𝗔𝗟𝗟, and Illuvium, as they are my favorites, and I want to show you guys everything that I know and give you more information about the leading play-to-earn games in 2022. We're going to go through their official websites, check out everything and anything that you need to know, and go through this great article that gives us a little more information. But before I begin any of this, a little disclaimer before I start. I am not a financial advisor and therefore am not accountable for any losses that you may make in the crypto or NFT world, so please do your own due diligence. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite thoughts and videos are at the end of the video, and without further ado, we're going to jump right in, starting off with this article. And at the number 1, we have Axie Infinity NFT game. Otherwise known as AXS, it's a prominent and profitable crypto and NFT initiative. This game allows players to play and earn tokens, which they can then trade, sometimes for genuine cash. Now, the game allows users to own and trade fierce monsters that enjoy fighting, known as Axies. Each Axie is an NFT, or a non-fungible token, that is distinct from the others, and to achieve the objectives, the player can own, trade, breed, and even battle the Axies. Now, there are 2 tokens in this game, the first one being the SLPs, small love portions. They're utilized to breed the Axies, and the second one, the game governance tokens, are Axie Infinity shards, known as AXS. This is a game that many of us wished we could play as children, as Axie Infinity's developers have taken nostalgic themes from our youth and applied them to the blockchain concept, which is both enjoyable and lucrative. And who wouldn't want that? Now we're going to go quickly through their official website and see what they're actually all about. So essentially, there's some statistics over here, some numbers, but we're not going to be staying on that for too long. Essentially, Axies are fierce creatures that love to battle, build, and hunt for treasure. You can build up your own collection and use them across an ever-expanding universe of games. This game uses cutting-edge technology, otherwise known as blockchain, to reward players for their engagement. Now, obviously, we have the play and earn concept. It's a new type of game partially owned and operated by its players, and you can earn AXS tokens by playing and use them to decide the future of the game. Essentially, you're in complete control. You've got the Axie battle over here, and look at these Axies. They are absolutely adorable. Now, you have the adventure side, the arena battle, and the breeding part, where you can mix and match parents to create the ultimate offspring and expand your collection or start your own breeding business and sell your babies on the market, which sounds a little off, but it's very successful, and this game has done so much, and it looks very adorable, and it's so enjoyable. These are their partners over here, and that will be all for Axie Infinity. We're going to move on now to Cryptokitties. This NFT game is based on blockchain and revolves around breeding beautiful cats that are one of a kind and owned by just one person at a time. So completely unique. Number 1, in the Cryptokitties NFT game, you can buy and sell one-of-a-kind cat characters within the community. You can create collections to get cryptocurrency rewards, improve your cat's talents by breeding gorgeous cats, and compete against your opponents in puzzle games. You can play with your friends as well, obviously. The amount of crypto you can earn is determined by how well you hit the game's objectives and how much time you devote to it, obviously. The cat prices could be as little as $1, $0.1, or as high as 6 figures. At the auction, you can sell the selling price for your cat, and the price of your cat's level skills may rise or fall dramatically depending on the level or skills of your cat. Now we're going to go through their official website. These kitties are so adorable. You can collect and breed forever, friends. Forever, friends. Very smart. And get your own kitty. Essentially, as we already said, it's a game centered around breedable, collectible, and oh so adorable creatures we call Cryptokitties. Each cat is one of a kind and 100% owned by you. It cannot be replicated, taken away, or destroyed. So completely unique, and you have complete ownership. You've got the wallets over here, the Cryptokitties, and the volume if you're interested in that. They also have the Cryptokitties Catalog. The new Cryptokitties Catalog is ready and waiting for you to help you find your perfect PFP. You can view the catalog right over here and check out everything that you need to know. Essentially, these are all the kitties, the purrs for prestige, the blue chip kitties. They are absolutely adorable, and these guys are so unique and creative, and I absolutely adore these kitties because they're so cute. Look at this one drooling and sleeping with a bunny suit on. I'm just amazed. You've got the new arrivals as well, and if you want to learn how to play Cryptokitties, you can read the guide over here and teach yourself or have them teach you how to breed the adorable kitties. You've got some news and events over here if you're interested in that as well. They are blowing up in the media, as I've already said, because they are at the top of the list of the best play to earn games out there right now. So you should definitely go and check them out. Moving on, let's take a look at the 𝗔𝗟𝗟 NFT Gaming. The 𝗔𝗟𝗟 is a dungeon-based RPG in which you must defeat your opponent in order to gain soul-dropping NFTs. At the start of 𝗔𝗟𝗟, you will be given the option to choose between 3 blockchains, and your decision will have an impact on the transactions that follow. And at the start of the game, you can select TRX, Ethereum, or EOS. Now, 𝗔𝗟𝗟 has 5 game modes. The first one is the idle mode, bounty minting. The second one, the active levels, to increase your talents and meet the boost. At every level 15, you must fight and win. Number 3, Cryptogon, a paid PvP game in which you form a team of 6 characters and battle the opponent. Number 4, the arena. In traditional PvP games, you will be assigned opponents based on your abilities. And number 5, the Crystal Orb Arena, where it's similar to the arena mode, but with more resources to improve your hero's abilities. The daily Soul NFT drops are available for free at 𝗔𝗟𝗟, but you must log in every 24 hours to collect them. You have to be consistent. The Soul drops will be placed to your game and wallet, to your in-game wallet, where you can then utilize them as needed. And let's check their official website out, which looks absolutely incredible. You can press this button over here to play now, and essentially we've got a little introduction, their story. The demons attacking the land of 𝗔𝗟𝗟. The conquest, the battle begins by combining the powers of fire, earth, wood, and water in the iconic medieval arena to power. You have to save the kingdom that is yours. You've got the soul token over here, as I've already mentioned. This is their unique token that you mine as you play on the 𝗔𝗟𝗟, and these tokens exist on 3 blockchains, the EOS, Ethereum, and Tron. They have a total of 999,999,999 limited soul tokens, and the 𝗔𝗟𝗟 team has designed a unique mechanism where players can mine while offline. And you got the cross blockchain here. Obviously, the 𝗔𝗟𝗟 is the first ever cross-blockchain platform idle mining RPG game, giving it a unique gameplay, pitting Tron versus EOS versus Ethereum in one arena. So creative, so unique. You've got the gameplay over here, everything you need to know. You've got the Chainopoly, the 3 versus 3 team battle, the faction wars, the battle stages, boss brawl, everything you need to know. The play to earn, you got a little trailer over here that shows you exactly how the game looks and how it works. You should definitely go and check that out and have a visual in your head of what they're doing and how they work. And you've got the heroes over here. This Egyptian one is absolutely my favorite because I love the way he looks. You've got other ones. You've got the Hollow's Horror, the 𝗔𝗟𝗟, the Gunner, Cursed Blade, Queen Titania, Devil Sorcerer, and many more. You can go check all of them out. They're very creative, and the team puts so much effort in everything over here and in details. You've got their announcements as well, so you should definitely go check that out, see what they're going to do in the future and what their plans are. And that will be all for the 𝗔𝗟𝗟. You can play now and check out their partnerships over here. And we will be moving on to the last order of business for this video, being Illuvium. Billed as the first AAA blockchain-based game to hit the cryptoverse, is one of, if not the most anticipated play-to-earn titles to be released in 2022. The player goes on an adventure through a fantasy open environment where they must explore and capture roaming animals known as Illuvials. Illuvials and all other in-game items will be stored on chain as NFTs in the player's wallet and may thus be profitably sold or exchanged. Illuvium also includes an auto battler system similar to the found in Dota, auto chess, and teamfight tactics. And Illuvium is similar to Pokemon, but instead of the traditional turn-based battle system, it's a 3D auto fight in an enclosed arena. In addition to the core game, Illuvium 0 is a building game that adds a land component to Illuvium, allowing players to farm materials on their land to develop their own industrial complex. So, very excited to show you guys this one. This is Illuvium over here. You've got the Illuvatars coming soon. You should definitely go and check that out. I'm going to tell you what they are in a minute, but you can join the fight for Ethereum and welcome yourselves to the world of Illuvium. Enter your email over here if you want to register, but essentially this is an open world exploration NFT, creature collector, and auto battler game built on the Ethereum blockchain, releasing on PC and Mac in 2022. The play to earn is a graphically rich sci-fi adventure and conquer the wilderness to help your crash-landed crew flourish and explore 7 dazzling alien landscapes and uncover the cataclysmic events that shattered Illuvium. You have the trailer over here. It looks absolutely insane. Definitely go check it out. You got it on Mac and Windows, and essentially collect them all. You can discover, hunt, and capture over 100 plus Illuvium's deadly beasts who rule this alien world, each possessing hybrid synergies and unique abilities. You can train and fuse your Illuviums into powerful evolutions to upgrade their power and value for you to build the perfect Illuvium team. Now, obviously, the play to earn over here, earn while playing. You can wager on battles and trade on the marketplace. You've got the Illuvitars, the Illuvials, and the land. If you want to become or ready to become a landloaner, you can visit it right over here and see everything you need to know about that. And essentially, backed by the blockchain, Illuvium gives you complete ownership over your in-game assets. Every successful Illuvial capture, farmed material, or crafted item is a non-fungible token minted and stored in your crypto wallet. And each NFT is verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain, proving your ownership of that digital asset. By having true custody of your assets versus them belonging to the game, you have the power to collect and trade NFTs in the marketplace at your discretion. So you are in complete control. You can do anything you want. You've got these little cards over here. You can check them out as well. And if you are ready to become a part of the Illuvium journey, you should definitely register over here, check out their partners as well, and become a part of the team. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite thoughts and opinions are. And I really hope to see you all in the next video.